What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, MarketingMeathead.com. And have you ever seen a video ad on YouTube you wanted to swipe? Well, this is how you can do it. All right, welcome back. So I'm getting ready to shoot some videos for some ads I'm going to be running. And I started, back in the day, it seemed like you could easily copy the URL, but things have changed. So I was actually seeing this video here of my buddy Kaylee Kane, and I was like, okay, he's got some decent copy in here. He's in a private jet, pretty cool. I could probably do something fairly similar, especially with this PDF. I could do that easily. So what you need to do here is when you see an ad, obviously you want to stop it. You can start and stop it, like, stop and start it. You want to actually go and right click on the video, and you want to click on the stat for nerds, okay? And what's going to happen is this is going to pop up right here, this little box, okay? This little box has this up here highlighted. Okay, now I can't figure out how to copy this thing. I don't think you can actually copy it. So what you have to do is you have to manually type this out. But once you have that, then you actually have that video. So here is an incognito window. Let's see here. I had an incognito window I had. That was actually the incognito window. Here's the incognito, and I went ahead and just typed. You just got to type youtube.com/watch and then $V equals, and then you put that number right here, okay? But you got to manually type it out, all right? So there's no other way that I've been able to find that you can do this without manually typing it. And then once you click enter, boom, that commercial pops up, and you can get an idea of how many views. Notice here it's unlisted, and you see over 1 million views. So you know this is a winning ad. So what you want to do then is take this ad and do something similar. Write down all the copy, look at all the points that he made, and then just craft a similar one, model it. I wouldn't copy it word for word, but definitely model it. Obviously he knows what he's doing. This guy Kaylee's, I know his company does about $30 million a year in revenue, so he's a big deal, and definitely a guy I want to model and get to his level at some point. So that's how you do it, guys. It's real easy. It's a little bit of manual labor. I don't know if you can do it on a mobile phone, but I can do it on a desktop. And then once you have that URL, you can just click on it, and you notice here's the full commercial, okay? And then you have it. And then what I would do is take this and then put it into like a notepad of some sort. And I got my own file here for let's see, for Kaylee here, and I just keep track of some of his lead magnets and whatnot. I'm just going to model some of the stuff he's doing. Obviously his stuff works, so I put the YouTube URL right here, so I can go back and watch that when I'm ready to shoot mine and get my copy and script it so it's decent. All right. So that's a pretty short video here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today. This channel is all about making money online, showing you guys some of the tricks of the trade. If you did like the video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Go ahead and share this video with your friends. Leave me a comment below if you're new to the channel. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.